Hi, it's Ernest here. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 50 Instagram and YouTube short videos in less than 2 minutes. For you to achieve that, you need Canva with the help of Google Spreadsheet. If today is your first time hearing of Canva, do not worry, I have a tons of video on this channel that will show you where to get started with Canva. Links to all these videos will be provided in the description box below. If this is something that you are looking for, then let's dive into the video. In this video, I'll be using only free Canva elements, and also you can do this method on both your smartphone and your tablet as well. Before you start creating the videos, you must get idea depending on the kind of content that you want to create. So I'm going to use Canva Magic Write to generate 50 text for graphic designers. You can also use any AI assistant to generate the text for you to use in your video. On Canva homepage on canva.com, you can search for doc, or also you can type on the doc here to go to Magic Write. Canva will open this blank canvas for you to start. So with this magic windows, this is where you are going to write in your prompt. So I'm going to write in my prompt. Give me 50 tips for graphic designers. After that, you hit on the enter on your keyboard to generate all the 50 tips for you. After a few seconds, Canva will generate all the 50. So you can see this is all the 50 tips for graphic designers. You can go through and see if you like them. If you like them, you just type on one of them to remove that green highlighted. Now that you have all your generated text, whether you use Canva or you use any AI to generate the text for you, you are going to copy all the text here. After copying your text, you go to Google Spreadsheet. So you go to Google and search for Google Spreadsheet. Here you are going to choose a blank sheet. So type on blank sheet. Here you are going to paste in the text that you generated. So to do that, you right click on the first row and go to paste special and select the first one, that is Ctrl+Shift+V, values only. You have all the 50 text that you generated in your sheet. After this, you have to save this text to CSV. So to do that, you first change the title. After changing the title, go to File and go to Download. Here you type on the CSV. Make sure to select this option. Now that you have your CSV file downloaded, you go back to Canva. That is where the magic is going to happen. On Canva, you search for Instagram Reel or YouTube Shorts. It will open a bunch of templates for you to select one that is perfect for your video. So you can go through and select one that is perfect for you. I think I'll select this one. So if this is what you like, you tap on it. It will bring you these windows. Customize this template. So type on that one. Now you have the template in your canvas. You can now change the background, change any of the element here if you don't want. Now I'm going to change the background video and also change one or two stuff here. So to change the background, you tap on the background and go to element on the sidebar and search for video background and go to videos. You can also go to the filter to change the orientation. So I'm going to select vertical, and also you can go here and type on the free so that all the video that will appear will be free. After that, then you click on apply filter. Now I have a bunch of vertical free videos to choose from. So you can go through and select one that is perfect for you. When you find one that is perfect for you, you tap on it. After that, type on that video and right click on the mouse to go to replace background. After changing the background, you can go ahead and change any of the elements here if you don't like them. So I'm going to change this color and also change the important tips to text for graphic designers, and also I will change here and make it hashtag Techvloggh GH. So this is what I'm going to do. You can also do the same if you like. Now that all the change has been made, you go ahead and go to the sidebar and search for Bulk Create. If you can't find it here, just type on the apps and look through this list. You will see Bulk Create. Tap on it to activate it. This pop-up message will appear. Enter data normally. Upload CSV. This is where you are going to upload that CSV file that you downloaded. So you tap on it to upload that file. Here you see the first text in your CSV file. So go ahead and go to the design and type on where you want it to appear. Right click on the text and go to connect data and select the first text. After a few seconds, it will automatically replace the text. Go ahead and type on continue on the sidebar. Now you can see all the text that you have will appear here. So now you have 49, meaning you have already done this one. To continue, you tap on generate 49 pages. Let's wait for the magic to happen. Now you have all the 49 video ready for you to start using them. Click on this to view all. This is all the 50 videos that Canva has created within 2 minutes. This is very impressive. You can post all these videos one by one on your Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok videos. Alright, now that everything is perfect, I'm going to show you how you can download this video one by one on your PC or your phone gallery. To do that, first change the design name. After that, go to Shell and type on download. Automatically, Canva will suggest MP4 for you. You can also download it as a GIF. I'm going to leave it like that and go to pages. Here you see all pages has been ticked. To download it one by one, you have to untick all the pages and type on page 1 and go to done. Select download. After that, you do the same procedure. Download and go to pages and untick the page 1 and tick page 2 and go to done. Download to avoid bulk download. If not, all the 50 pages is going to download in bulk. It will be difficult for you to share it one by one. To avoid that, you have to untick all the 1 to 49 pages and select it one by one to avoid to download all the pages together. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you have any question. If today is your first time on this channel and you haven't subscribed, make sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification for any future update. I have this video on the screen, maybe you like it. Thanks for watching. Peace out.